Today we're 3D printing a very cute llama, although I actually think this looks a lot like a capybara. And this is designed by Biotech 3D. They make amazing 3D models of cute animals like this. And you'll find this one in the link in the description below for free. They also have a Patreon if you want to support this kind of model that they're making. And we're going to give this a good little paint job. So first up, we're going to gloss up the eyes, which I think helps bring more life to the model. And then we're just going to add a little bit of brown to the nose and the ears. If you're printing it off yourself, I recommend the external parts here that you're going to attach, print them off at like 99%. It'll make them attach a little bit easier. Otherwise, they're a little bit of a pain in the ass to get on. But assembly is very simple. And I'd highly recommend these models for advanced users and beginners. There's also versions of the models that you download which have all the pieces attached, so you can have an even easier time printing it off. And you can see here I've got to the point of just gluing everything on, and it's real simple. You just glue up all the blank spaces, attach everything on, and then you are pretty much done. So we've got the nose here, then we've got the ears, and then the final touches will be the eyes, and that's us. And this is pretty damn simple. Apart from, like I say, print it off at 99%, you have a little bit of a better chance getting everything in the holes easier. But other than that, it goes together beautifully. Just make sure you clean up your 3D prints and you should be fine. And we're almost done. It does look like I've kidnapped this llama with the band, but we can now finally take that off. And yeah. And what is this, guys? This original designer calls it a llama, but man, I just get capybara vibes out of this big time, and I'd love to know what you think it looks like. But yeah, I can see the llama there too, but just not quite. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think about this one in the comments below. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys next time.